Ah, you may be the new student who was sent to me. Are you here to learn magic? Excellent. But first, can you read and write? You're going to need to learn how to do that. And you're also going to need another skill. It mostly depends on the school of magic that you want to learn. We have two schools here in these lands. One of them is Celestial, and the other one is Earth. If you're wanting to learn Celestial, you'll also need to learn how to read magic itself. But if you're wanting to learn Earth, then all you need to do is learn how to first aid someone back to life, and then you'll need to learn how to healing arts, which is telling if someone's dying, dead, or a number of other possible ailments. You think you can do that? Brilliant. Now, when it comes to magic, you have three pretty much tiers of magic. You'll have your basic spells, you'll have your cantrips, and you'll have your formals. Today we're just going to focus on your basic spells. Sound good? Now, when it comes to celestial magic, these are more of your attack and battle, or augmenting magics. Calling forth fire, calling forth lightning. Fixing people's armor, giving people additional things to use with their weapons. Casting silver aura, and stuff like that. On Earth, however, Earth is your healing spells. Your cure light wounds, to your actual bringing someone back from the dead spells. Now, there are two ways to do that. In Earth, you can literally raise the dead with chaos magic. Or you can just simply grant them the gift of life. Sometimes that doesn't always work, though, which is unfortunate. Now, for each spell, you'll need spell slots. Depending on which school you choose, you'll purchase a spell slot of that school to learn a spell in that school. Celestial for Celestial, Earth for Earth. Now, when you learn more and more magic, you'll need more and more slots. You'll have to purchase them in a pyramid fashion. Buy 2 first level spells, and you can purchase a second level spell. Buy 3 first level spells, you can purchase 2 second level spells, and 1 third level spell. Buy 4 first level spells, again 3 second level spells, 2 third level spells, and 1 fourth level spell. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't have to buy the 5th fourth level spell to buy the 4th second level spell. Once you get to 4, you can just start building straight up. This is the difference between what's called a pencil tree and a column tree. A pencil tree, you'll have 1 9th level spell, 2 8th level spells, 3 7th level spells, 4 6th level spells, and the rest of the tree going down would be 4s as well. For a column tree, you would have 4 spells in the 9th and all the way down through the 1st. Are you following me so far? Okay. Now that you know the basics of how to acquire magic, let's talk about how to actually cast magic. For magic to work, you'll need 2 things: an incantation and a delivery method. At NERO Empire, or pretty much any other NERO chapter, we use spell packets, commonly referred to as spackets. Incantations are in the NERO National Rulebook, the 9.0, which we are currently working with. To cast, for example, a flame bolt spell, the spell incantation would be, I call forth a flame bolt 40. Speak, then throw. Now, another method of casting is to touch cast, especially when it comes to protectives and self-heals. For example, I call forth mystic power to shield magic. I grant myself the power of a magic armor. Both of these are incants that can be touch cast and self-cast. But this way, if someone were to throw a magic spell at me for some random reason,
I call forth a flame bolt 40.
Got it. Shield magic, which will protect me. And then I can simply go up and be like, I grant you the gift of death. Ah! You know, retribution is always something that you need to keep in mind. These are just a few of the spells available for you to cast when you play NERO. For the full list, find the 9.0 rulebook at NEROLARPonline.com. If you have any questions, message us on our website or leave a comment on this video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.